there, and it happens. This is real life. And what I will tell you is that just like you're putting the thread back in the bobbin, it's a new beginning here. The reminder about the blue wing olive for me is that they always happen, and the hatches seem to be happening during times of cloudy days, and oftentimes cloudy days represent times that are going through struggles in your life. And I just know that the blue wing olive seems to always be emerging during those cloudy days. And I have always noticed that whenever the sun's out, you're not going to see this hatch being on the water, so you're looking for a day that it's overcast and dreary if you want to see something that's like this blue wing olive. And that reminds me that new beginnings often take those rainy days, dreary moments in life, but also that, you know, there's a opportunity right around the corner after you can have those bad moments, because the hatch of the blue wing olive is a very powerful, successful, however you want to put it. Whenever it happens, it'll allow for the bubbling of the water to create success with hookups. So we're just going to build a little dam right there behind our CDC, and we're going to just split them real quick. Once we have the